In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove users in Asana. This is especially helpful if someone has left your team, changed roles, or simply no longer needs access to your workspace. Removing users keeps your account organized, protects sensitive information, and frees up paid seats if you're on a subscription plan. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own Asana account. First, open Asana and make sure you're logged into the correct organization or workspace where you want to manage users. To get started, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your initials or profile picture. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu with several account and workspace options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option called Admin Console and click on it. Keep in mind that you'll only see this option if you have admin permissions in that organization. If you don't see Admin Console, you may need to ask an existing admin to adjust your permissions or remove the user for you. Once the admin console opens, you'll see a panel with different sections for managing your organization. Here, click on the section labeled Users. This is where you can view everyone who currently has access to your organization, including members and guests. On the Users page, you'll see a list of people along with their roles and status. Find the user you want to remove from Asana. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct person, especially if there are similar names. When you've found the right user, move your cursor to the right side of their row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small menu will appear with several actions you can take for that user. In this menu, click on the option labeled Remove. This tells Asana you intend to remove that person's access from the organization. Asana may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. This is your final chance to confirm your choice. Review the message, and when you're ready, click Remove again to finalize it. After this, the user will no longer have access to your Asana organization. That's all you need to do to remove a user in Asana.